Kroger's having a sale on ribeyes, so you know we gotta do. Gotta cook it. Gotta go through some quick little, not even instructions. It's kind of just like a real-time cook. So we got it prepping downstairs. We got the pan heating up. Let's go and run it, man. Let's go run this ribeye. All right, got a little bit of beef tallow. Literally doing everything with one hand, so mind the shakiness. All right, here we go. Just let this rest for a minute. A minute, literally like 4-ish minutes on each side. We take it off, cut into it, call it a day. Steak's probably one of the easiest things to cook. Probably one of my favorite things to cook as well. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day, man. And then we'll come back with I'll do the flip, we'll cut into it, and then we'll come back with the final meal that we got, steak and sweet potatoes.
Our place one is really good.
Steak done. Anik here. Looking up pan videos. Cooking still. Chilling.
Just educating ourselves.
Educating, bro. Education. Alright, got these sweet potatoes right here. Nice and crusted. Then we're going to add the final ingredient. A little bit of honey. You what? You said I'm not going to eat all this? Oh yeah. About to get super brick after this meal. And we'll let that kind of just sit and soak up the honey. Today is just like a off the cuff. Kroger had a ribeye sale. Yeah. And then just zoom in a little bit. Yeah. Alright, I started cutting into it. I forgot we were making a video today. So this is the ribeye right here. Sweet potatoes about to be done here in a little bit. Nice and semi pink. This is a ribeye, but it was a bit of a thick one. It was a bit of a thin one compared to usual. But when you're getting 2 ribeyes for $26 from Kroger, you don't really complain. So it is what it is. All right. Then where's the bone? It's right here. Okay, probably. Cut that, save the bone for dessert. All right. All right, and then go right into the sweet potatoes. So a little crust, We started steaming these, and then took them out of the steamer, cut them up a little bit, and then we added the cinnamon and the honey, cleaned up butter. This is the same pan I cooked the steak in, but I of course cleaned it out, and then I poured just put some butter in it. Maybe in the future we'll cook some sweet potatoes in some steak fat, but wasn't about it today. All right. That's dessert. Locked in. Bon appetit, mother lover.